Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
You are presently looking at a video one of several, on the order of videos for creating digital lessons. Now, what we're going to try to do here is make sure that we cover every possible question that may come up. You'll notice that video one, we're going to illustrate how to create a Google account. Video two, we're going to show you how to set up your folder on your computer. Now, we call it 0 video lessons, and for that, the 0 will move it to the top of wherever you are. And in here, you will place all of your lessons. You could call it something else, but this is just a suggestion. Video 3, we're going to show you how you can create your lesson and convert it into a video lesson. Video 4, we're going to show you how to install your video, your software on your computer, which is free. And you can find this software on that website. Video 5, we're going to show you how you can open up your QR code link and placing the Windows button on your lesson. This will allow your lesson to be used on an iPad, a Microsoft Office, Chromebook, phone, wherever the student has it. So the nice thing about this is when you print out your lesson and give it to them, they have access to whatever tool they have in front of them. Video 6, we're going to show you creating a video lesson and saving it to your computer, how that works. That was video 6. Video 7, we're going to show you how you can transfer the video to your Google folder and allow it to be shared. Video 8, we're going to show you how to create a QR code for your video and how you can make it so the video will work also on with the QR code and with the video button that we've applied or supplied for you. And we have everything here in detail. Hopefully this makes sense. It's not going to be an easy 1, 2, 3 thing, but once you've created one lesson, you will find out that it's extremely easy to do, and you can be able to do the other ones if you want to make more lessons. This is an extremely, unbelievable, powerful tool that will allow you to work with differentiated instruction and free your time up. Okay, so this is part 1 of video 1. What we're going to do right off the bat, you'll notice that we went to Google, and we're going to click on Gmail. Upon doing so, this will appear. Now, what you're going to have to do if you have not done this before is you're going to have to click on this icon to the right. It says create an account. You're going to have to give it some information, and you have to have a password. I would strongly recommend that you you copy, print out all the information you have there so you don't forget. Number 2, what I'm going to do is I've already created an account. This one is for a person, and I'm going to add that account, and that person, I'm going to type it in right here, and that's for Penny Huffy at gmail.com. Okay, this is a fake person because this is my dog. And I'm going to click on next, and I already created a password for her. Okay, I've already created a password for Penny, and I'm going to click on sign in. And when you do that, a lot of different things will appear. Now, the one I want you to look at first is this one right here for Google Apps. I'm going to click on it, and you'll notice it says Drive. There's a lot of things here, but let's look at Drive. I click on the Drive. Now, the Drive is going to have 15 gig. That's a lot of storage. And what we're going to do, first of all, is create a folder to put your lessons in. And I'm going to click on New Folder. Okay, I put a 0 in the front, so it moves it to the top. And I called it Digital Lessons. And simply click on Create. Now, here's your folder. Now, okay, what I'm going to do, it says Digital Lessons. I'm going to right-click on it. And you'll notice we have a bunch of pull downs, but the one I want right here is Get Shareable Link. Click on it, and when you do that, you'll see it says Sharing Settings. Click on that if you would, and down here in the lower right hand corner, we're going to click on Advanced. Here you can enter in emails of people that you want to share it with, but we're not going to do that right now. We're just going to click on Advanced. When you click on Advanced, we are going to click up here at the top where it says Change. Okay? Now you have several choices. The one I think you should use, and I use, is this one. The public on the web. Anyone on the internet can find and access your information. So I'm going to click on Save and Done. So that means whatever we put in here, people can access it. And that's basically what you want to do. Eliminates all problems. Hopefully all of that made sense. And the nice thing about videos is the fact that if you didn't quite get it, hey, you can play this lesson over and over again. The same thing holds true with the whole major concept of creating video lessons. Those students can play the video over 100 times and it's not going to aggravate anyone. Okay, now we are done for the time being with your Google account. Now if you look carefully at the PDF file that we have on our web page, it's going to go through the steps that I've already showed you. And this, by following those steps, you should have, and watching the videos, you should have very little problems at all. So let's close video 1 and we'll go to video 2.